Hey guys, Mike and Tina Keil here.
We're the Keil team, and in today's episode of Enjoying Life at Home, we want to share with you the top 4 mistakes we see when purchasing new construction.
Okay, here we go. Mistake number 1. We assume the advertised price is the price. Advertised pricing for new construction is really often just a base price.
Right. I mean, expect another $20,000 or more to add upgrades or finishes that fit your needs and preferences. I mean, we're talking upgraded flooring, cabinets, fixtures, and the like.
So be mindful that you could have additional costs on top of the advertised price when you start shopping.
Mistake number 2, we don't keep resale in mind. When adding upgrades, focus on items that you can't change later, like the number of bathrooms or garage bays. And don't add so many upgrades that you price the home over what other homes are selling for in the neighborhood.
And mistake number 3, we must use the builder's lender. Builders typically offer incentives to use their lender, so that makes sense. But while incentives sound enticing, you really should research options with other local lenders to determine the best way to go. And we can certainly help you with that.
Absolutely. Mistake number 4, we think we can go it alone. While the builder's on-site agent can write your contract, remember, they work for the seller, not you, the buyer. By having your own realtor, your best interest will be represented every step of the way.
Bottom line, buying a home is typically the largest purchase you'll ever make, but it doesn't have to be the most difficult.
No, it doesn't. If you'd like to learn more on how to avoid common mistakes when buying or selling a home, go to tophomemistakes.com.
Or you can call us, text us, 615-347-7774. We'd love to guide you through the process.
The whole thing. We're Mike and Tina Keil, and this is our show, Enjoying Life at Home.
That was good, huh?
The Keil team is with Keller Williams Realty.
615-778-1818.